हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। This is a plaintiff's second appeal arising from a suit for a specific performance of contract full stop para. Original suit number 305 of 1987 was instituted in the court of the city Munsif, Jaunpur by Paras Nath and Srimati Sitavi against Vishwanath full stop. They claimed a specific performance of a registered agreement to sell dated 8th March 1984 executed in favor of the two plaintiffs aforesaid by Vishwanath, the sole defendant full stop. The agreement is about the covenanted sale of an unpartitioned 1/3 share in agricultural land admeasuring a total of 6 decimals full stop. The land aforesaid at the time of execution of the agreement to sale bore plot number 851 full stop. During the consolidation operations, the plot has been renumbered as 791 with no change to its identity, areas or boundaries full stop. The land subject matter of agreement is located at Mauja, Deepakpur, Pargana, Gharwara, Tehsil मछली शहर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट जौनपुर फुल स्टॉप. 1/3 unpartitioned share in plot number 791 last mentioned subject matter of agreement to sale dated 8/3/1984 between parties is hereinafter referred to as D court, the suit property D court full stop. The suit property shall however be referred to about its details mentioned in the plaint by its full particulars and boundaries in Schedule A and B while setting forth the parties' case full stop. The original plaintiffs, who are the two appellants here, died pending appeal full stop. Both the plaintiff appellants, which includes their respective heirs and legal representatives, shall be referred to hereinafter as the plaintiffs, except where an individual reference is made to either of them full stop. Vishwanath, the sole defendant to the suit, is the sole respondent to this appeal full stop. He shall hereinafter be referred to as the defendant full stop para. The plaintiffs brought this suit with assertions to the effect that property detailed in Schedule A is a joint property of the defendant and his brothers numbering 2 Bahadur and Jangli full stop. The said property is a bhumidhari of the 3 brothers held jointly in equal share antedating the last chakbandi full stop. During the last chakbandi, it was settled with the defendant and his 2 brothers full stop. It is averred that in the property described in Schedule A to the plaint, the defendant holds a 1/3 share that works out to 2 decimals full stop. The plaintiffs and the defendant negotiated terms where the plaintiffs settled with the defendant to purchase the suit property in bracket 1/3 share in the land described in Schedule A bracket out for a sale consideration of rupees 6,000 full stop. The defendant accepted the terms full stop. In accordance with the terms settled between parties, the defendant executed the suit agreement in favor of the plaintiffs on 8/3/1984, agreeing to convey the suit property for a total sale consideration of rupees 6,000 in favor of the plaintiffs full stop. The defendant received an earnest of rupees 2,000 at the time of execution of the suit agreement, leaving a residue of rupees 4,000 that was agreed between parties to be payable at the time of execution of the sale deed full stop. The suit agreement was registered as document number 693 in book number 1 volume number 1187 and recorded at page numbers 255 full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है विद फ्लक्चुएशंस, ठीक है. 120 प्लस की स्पीड है और 6वें मिनट पर नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन क्रिमिनल मैटर शुरू करेंगे. तब तक जो भी नए हो इस चैनल पे वो सब्सक्राइब कर लें, शेयर कर लें, लाइक कर दें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कर दें। और कमेंट्स वगैरह जो भी हों बता दीजिएगा नीचे। और जो पुराने लोग हैं वो भी लाइक और शेयर कर दें। लाइक करने से क्या है ना कि जो वीडियो है वो ऊपर फ्लोट करती है तो थोड़ा फ़ायदा होता है, ठीक है, सब्सक्राइबर्स वगैरह बढ़ जाते हैं। बाकी क्या कहते हैं, डिक्टेशंस कैसी हैं, फ्लक्चुएशन वगैरह और जो भी चीज़ें हैं बताइएगा ताकि उसके अकॉर्डिंग काम किया जा सके, ठीक है। तो 5वां मिनट तो हो गया है, 6वें मिनट पे शुरू करेंगे। ओके। चलिए 10 सेकेंड बाद डिक्टेशन शुरू होने वाला है। ओके, तो शुरू करते हैं। स्टार्ट। हर्ड मिस महिमा मौर्य, लर्नेड एमिकस क्यूरी appearing for the appellant, and Shri L.D. Rajbhar, Prem Shankar Mishra, learned AGAs for the state respondent full stop para. This criminal appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 18/5/1996 passed by the 5th Additional Sessions Judge Jhansi in Sessions Trial number 144 of 1991 in bracket State versus Mohan alias Mohan Singh bracket out under sections 307 and 302 IPC PS Kotwali District Jhansi, whereby appellant Mohan alias Mohan Singh has been convicted for the offences under section 302 and sentenced for life imprisonment, and under section 307 IPC sentenced for 7 years rigorous imprisonment full stop. Both the punishments are to run concurrently full stop para. The prosecution story as unfolded with the first information report dated 10/6/1991 registered at about 5:30 am at PS Kotwali, District Jhansi, that on 10/6/1991 at about 4:30 am when deceased Jamna in bracket wife of the first informant bracket out and his aunt Raja Beti, wife of Nathu, were going to get drinking water from the public in bracket Sarkari bracket out tap, and the first information was in accompanying them to attend the call of nature. Mohan in bracket appellant, son of Kalu Kachi, and 2 other young boys met them at a place inside the outer gate of the village full stop. Seeing them standing on their way, his aunt Raj Beti stopped them. Mohan then said and attacked Jamuna by knife in her chest, while his 2 accomplices caught hold of Jamuna in bracket deceased full stop. The first informant Parikshit in bracket husband of deceased bracket out challenged them in the torchlight, and his aunt Raj Beti hit them by the mental pot in bracket Kasedi bracket out which she was carrying to fill water full stop. Mohan also hit back Raj Beti by knife, causing injury in her left hand full stop. The deceased fell down and died full stop. Amidst the chows on the challenge raised by the first informant, 3 assailants ran away towards the grove full stop. Some people took deceased Jamna and injured Raj Beti to the district hospital full stop. The motive to commit the crime, as stated in the report, is that around 5 days prior to the occurrence, an altercation took place between wife of first informant Parikshit and his neighbor Mohan, son of Kallu Kushwaha, and also his mother Rama full stop. In the said altercation, Mohan had threatened the deceased with the dire consequences full stop, since it was a normal dispute and hence no report was lodged by the first informant full stop. It was stated that the first informant and his aunt Raj Beti had seen the assailants Mohan and his 2 accomplices clearly in the torchlight, and they knew accused Mohan by name, whereas his two other accomplices were not known to them, full stop. They, however, could recognize them if the assailants were brought before them, full stop. The report is scribed by one Kali Charan, son of Narayan Das, full stop, para. The record indicates that the police swung into action and recoveries were made, site plan prepared, and accused Mohan was arrested, full stop. The recovery memo of the torch which the first informant was carrying had been prepared, marked as exhibit car 2, full stop, 3 Kesaria in bracket metal pots for filling water bracket out, full stop, over. तो दोस्तों ये हो गया है फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ, ठीक है। जो भी दिक्कतें हो बताइएगा, डिक्टेशंस वगैरह में उनको इम्प्रूव किया जाएगा। तो चलिए मिलते हैं फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में, ठीक है, ओके।